He got some big old 305s on the back.
Ain't gonna be filming my dirty car.
Hey, man.
You wait till that motherfucker
Hey.
is clean, goddammit.
Hey, check this out.
You put me on the internet dirty.
Check this out.
The fuck?
I'm cold with the edits. What up, YouTube? You know what it is. You know who it is. When I get 400 horses, I'ma do this. I'ma do that. I'ma do this. When I do this, look at all this heat up here. You got. All right. If you didn't know, now you know.
Hey, 1, 2, 3.
Way I'm gonna go. Give me your beat.
Camaro gang, thank y'all for tuning in. If you didn't know, now you know. YouTube, you know what it is, you know who it is. It's the Ginger 31 to be exact. If you didn't know, now you know. I got D Nasty right here pulling up. We up here at this Coffee STL right now. You dig? Come check them out. We up in the back. D Nasty up here. Come on, we can pull up in the back. Come on, tell them to follow us right quick. You know, all right, YouTube, we got to post up right here at this 2019 ZR1 thing right here. Nice, pretty orange color too, to be exact. You know what I'm saying? So we definitely got y'all a short on here, and I'm gonna definitely shoot some video footage right here, right now. But the ZR1, we got D Nasty, big old head all in the way. Yeah, here I see it right behind. Nice ZR1 thing, you know, check it out. Yes, sir. Carbon fiber all through it. How y'all like that? Camera shout that IG and everything else out. He say, nah, I ain't fucking with it. Check it out. Timmy, you see? Check him out right quick. It's one of the youngest cats in this mug. He done had down there every car you can have already. He ain't even 21 yet, man. Dig? Shit how it be. This mug hard. Look at this custom stripe. You get up on it close, so y'all see this shit on IG. You never get to see it on the channel, right? That's that custom stuff. Custo. Everybody try to race Timmy.
Yeah, everybody try to race me.
I wish you could change your name to what is it now? It ain't.
Himmy Girl. It's still Himmy Girl 797. I just changed the
She changed the numbers on it. Let y'all know what it is.
Because of my birthday.
Check out Himmy Girl.
Himmy Girl 797, YouTube, Instagram, everything. Yep.
And you done took the stickers off.
Yeah, I'm supposed to get my stickers today.
We was gonna get our stickers on there so y'all can really see it. It's that red out there. Say she's gonna get some more stickers for y'all to know who it is when y'all see her out. All right. Yeah, go ahead and get that 360 though.
Yeah, I'm
second gen Camaro, baby. Yes, sir. That's that second gen for you. That's that second gen Camaro. Huh? Look, man, we got so many cars up here, cars and coffee. This is the definition of cars and coffee, but I ain't got no coffee. I don't drink coffee. Here go a Lamborghini right here, though. Man, look, I'm gonna have so much footage for y'all today. It's not even funny. By the way, check out my Instagram. Got D Nasty smoking on a Mustang pack yesterday. We didn't want to tell that, but it's all good. Quiet. That's beautiful though. What's that? ZL1 thing. Sound like a lot of marrow talk over there somewhere. You heard that? That right there is your classic there, right there. First gen. Beautiful, ain't it? And it's a stick too. Hear that one. Sounds good. Boy, that one's sitting up high, ain't it? So what's going on? Got ourselves a rose gold. Sorry. Y'all think of this rose gold, baby? Get both cameras. All of them cameras. We'll get them all on camera. Y'all got Instagram, YouTube, and all that? Yeah. Yeah, shout it out.
Follow me on Instagram. Subscribe on YouTube. DANJIEL 2X.
I heard it there first. We collab with everybody. Hey, follow me on YouTube and Instagram at the Ginger THAGINGER 31. Everything. YouTube, TikToks, everything. Y'all heard that? And we missed the rail if he had force. Oh well. He might get it, he might not. Maserati, they didn't let the GDs in the door. Yeah, YouTube, man. We seen a lot of cars, bro. You can tell like there's hella cars out here, and yet we still ain't seen it all. This is ZL1 right here, y'all. That magnesium supercharged in it, huh? Rotofab big though. He on E85 too. All of that. All of that. Got the wheels on it. Y'all know what's up with that. Y'all know what's up with that. 610 not to be played with. Right here. Got that Camaro SS, right? Fat front split on it, you know? Alright, so check this out here. Got that good old Pro Charger, right? He ain't on E85. Probably got headers on there. You really can't see too much. It's not real cluttered up in there. You know, but it's all good. This here is your SS. Kind of set it up like it's a ZL1. I mean, he is pushing that type of power, so why not throw that wing on there? You know what I'm saying? He got some big old 305s on the back.
Ain't gonna be filming my dirty car.
Hey, man.
You wait till that motherfucker
Hey.
is clean. Goddamn.
Hey, check this out.
You put me on the internet dirty.
Check this out.
The fuck?
I'm cold with the edits.
Let me see that camera. What camera is that?
GoPro.
Yeah, just gonna put me on the internet dirty like that, man.
Look, babe. Look.
Y'all could have told me at the car wash and been like, you know,
It's a
y'all
GoPro
be
Max.
seeing me out there, man.
Nice.
That's just wrong, man.
Look at the edits, man. I was dirty.
This 4K.
Yeah, what is that for? 6K.
Y'all could
6K?
have caught my ass at the car
It's a
wash.
bad
Ain't
motherfucker.
got
man.
one.
So now I gotta delete. He want me
much
to
that
edit that out. Huh?
And then he gonna tell everybody his shit dirty in the motherfucker. So he wanted me to edit the shit
Hey,
out. So I'm gonna go ahead and edit shit out.
Alright, YouTube, look, check this out, man. Thank y'all for tuning in. Once again, man, Cars and Coffee, this is one of the last times that we're gonna be here at this location. Oh, that's how they do us, huh? So look, this is gonna be one of the last times that it's probably gonna be at this location at the Cars and Coffee or whatever, which is all good, right? But look.